Hello Falcons, Mr. McBride here. I just have this little video to show you how to paint your image. So, first things first, your image needs to be crumpled like Mr. McBride's. So I have already crumpled this one, so I'm not going to do it again, but I will show you with this other example I have. When you're crumpling, there's really not much to it. You have to find the perfect in the middle. I'd say about crumpling the paper up about 2 times will do it. 1 is too few. Any more than 2, there will be too many cracks and your paper will start to get weak. And so when you go to wash off your paint later, your paper might not be able to hold up much longer after that. Something about this. So back to our image. Once you have your paper all crumpled up, you got those cracks in your image, you want to start painting. Now, thing to know about the paint, it dries incredibly quick. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to paint it, and then you guys can paint it yourself. So as you can see, I'm going very quickly, back and forth quickly, using a fair good amount of paint. I'm using a pretty generous amount to get in those cracks because I'm going to wash all this paint off in a second. So I don't have to use a little bit. I can use a pretty good amount. So don't be afraid to go on your placemat. As you can see, Mr. McBride, I'm just going as quickly as I can. That way I can get to the sink. Because like I said, this paint dries pretty quickly. So if you're painting and it goes off on the placemat, no big deal. Now, you want to make sure your placemat's there so you don't get any paint on the table, but that's another case. So, your image will look something like this. It's pretty mucky, but we're going to go to the sink and we're going to clean it up.